the blade to straighten it with a sledgehammer. We did it! Look, it's a sticker! We did it! First, we need to assemble. Ship carrier! Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier! Pump. Don't stop. Let's add some scenery to our water park. And now we will be heading to the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Pull. We're approaching a coral reef. Left rudder. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Look, it's a sticker. Keep up the good work. Let's repair. Diving boat. Let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's run the welder over the crack to weld it. Let's drag the spray gun along the stain to paint it. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Diving boat. Pump. Ready. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Don't stop. Let's turn on the pumps and check the slides. Let's wash. Diving boat. Move the foamer along the ship to soak it up. Drag the washer along the vessel and remove the rest of the foam. Ready. Wow, a new sticker. Amazing! We need to assemble a crane ship.